Let us now take up the second example of cloze test and see how comfortable we are in answering questions on cloze test. Now, this passage begins with the sentence, Earth is the only place we know of in the universe that can support human life. Dash, human activities are making the planet less fit to live on. Now, here the options provided are even, then, yet, despite, in spite of. Earth is the only place we know of in the universe that can support human life. Then there should be a connector in that place. Human activities are making planets less fit to live on. So there are two contrasting ideas. The first part says Earth is the only place we know of which can be fit for living, but we are doing things which are making it unfit to live on. So there are two contrasting activities. The word you are going to use in the blank therefore should fit these two contrasting qualities. Even, then, yet, despite, in spite of. It's obvious that the option C, that is yet, is the best word or option which connects both the parts of the sentences. Earth is the only place we know of in the universe that can support human life, yet human activities are making the planet less fit to live on. Now the next sentence, as the Western world dash on consuming 2/3 of the world's resources, while half of the world's population do so dash to stay alive. Now, the Western world is consuming the resources, and the rest of the world, it does it with for a different purpose. The Western world continues, the Western world repeats, the Western world carries, the Western world follows, the Western world does. Now, out of these 5 options, as the Western world dash on consuming 2/3 of the world's resources, that means Western world takes a lion's share in consuming the resources meant for the entire world. Therefore, the best option here is option C. The Western world carries on consuming 2/3 of the world's resources, while half the world's population, they do so dash to stay alive. The third option here, the options provided already, just, for, entirely, while. We have a different reason. We have to just stay alive. Unlike the Western world which consumes 2/3 of the world's resources. Therefore, the correct option here is just. The word just fits in best in blank 2. Whereas, while half the world's population do so just to stay alive. The next sentence, we are rapidly destroying the dash resource we have by which all people can survive and prosper. Now the options are, we are rapidly destroying the dash resource. The word should be an adjective for the resource. Alone resource, individual resource, mental resource, only resource, human resource. The best option again here is option D, the only resource. We are rapidly destroying the only resource we have by which all people can survive and prosper. Everywhere fertile soil is dash built on or washed into the sea. We are doing two things regularly. Either we construct buildings on fertile soil, or we allow the fertile soil to be washed into the sea and cause soil erosion. Therefore, in the option 5, we have later, neither, either, rather, rarer. Or is already given there. Therefore, in the previous blank, it should be either. Either or, neither nor. So the correct option here again is option C, either. Everywhere fertile soil is either built on or washed into the sea. Renewable resources are exploited so much that they will never be able to recover dash. We discharge pollutants into the atmosphere without any thought of the consequences. Now the first sentence in this batch is renewable resources are exploited so much, the quantum of exploitation, you have to choose the correct word, that they will never be able to recover dash. Recover hurriedly, recover greatly, recover exactly, recover completely, recover nicely. The correct option is recover completely. We are exploiting so much that we will never be able to recover what we exploit. We discharge pollutants into the atmosphere without any thought of the consequences. As a dash, the planet's ability to support people is being dashed at the very time when rising human numbers and consumption are dash increasingly heavy demands on it. In blank 7, as a dash, whatever the author has said in the previous sentence, here in the blank you should get a word which means the consequence. Now see which of these words means consequence. As a increase, it cannot be, because as a increase starts with a vowel sound. Therefore the previous article, if at all it is correct, should be an. So increase is removed. As a result, as a completion, as a product, as a growth. Therefore, as I said earlier, as a consequence, the word result means the consequence. Therefore, as a result, the planet's ability to support people is being dash. Is being dash at a time, very time when rising human numbers and consumption are dash increasingly. Now, in the question 8, the options provided is being stopped, is being experimented, is being reduced, is being increased. Earlier the author talks about exploitation. Exploitation will not result in increase. Therefore increased is gone. Growth is also irrelevant, because we are exploiting, we are consuming. When you consume something, how will it grow? So we have to choose between stopped, experimented, reduce. So when you consume something, it gets reduced. The correct option here is people, the planet's ability to support people is being reduced. At what time? At a time when rising human numbers, because the population is increasing and the rate of consumption also is increasing, are dash increasingly heavy demand. Now the option for 9th, are doing increasingly heavy demands, or having increasingly heavy demand, or taking increasingly heavy demand, or making. When you talk of a demand, the correct verb for that is making a demand. And the most appropriate option therefore is option D, are making increasingly heavy demands on it. Now the last blank here, the earth's dash resources are there for us to use. The earth's dash resources. Now what are the resources again? Natural, real, living, genuine, land. Again you must use an adjective here, because it has to qualify the noun resources. The earth's natural resources. Not real resources or living resources. The earth's natural resources are there for us to use. But if we use them wastefully and excessively, they will soon run out and everyone will suffer. we have to, they say, we have to leave the earth as it was when we started living on it. We are not supposed to consume something which is meant for the future generation. Now we will have to remain calm and do the exercises on close test.